is Hong Jong. Oh. Feel it?
Yeah.
The to left, don't go to the left, yeah.
Oh man, nó hơi biểu rồi, young.
Hey, oh. Grab it. Got a hook. Let me see. No. Okay.
What's happening? Nice red.
Oh. Whoa. Oh, we're linky. Nice linky.
I think that's keeper, bud.
Yeah, Team Goshen. From Goshen, California.
Where's your bag?
Right here, this one right here. The ugly one.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah,
That's a start, my friend.
See? Oh, you see us. You're gonna see us again.
All right.
I want to get a season pass for next year.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you live?
Visalia.
Okay.
We're not bad, so.
Yeah. We've been killing it all year.
My buddy decided to tell me almost the end of the season.
Yeah, what's up with that?
That's what I want to know.
At the end?
That's what I want to know. He's greedy.
Yeah, he is. I remember him.
Nó hơi biểu nhà hành hiên hả?
So I will chuyện như vậy.
Chứ là chuyện nhá.
So jump at the way but it got directed to you know. I'll take a good start, bro. We don't catch a bird though. Oh, we're doing good.
Killing it?
Somewhat. We don't like to brag, but you know, we do okay.
Warming up the murderous.
Yeah, pretty much.
Right. I like it.
We're gonna keep looking here, guys. We're gonna run up a little farther. We're catching a couple, but I think we can do better. In the morning, we gotta hop around until we get located. So let's wind them up and try somewhere else.
We heard me what that's it. Die, eh?
Yeah.
Badass need to need some octopus lure.
Hold on.
Red on top and white on the bottom.
Oh, fuck, it came off.